properly. And what will get them on your ear? Separate the food.
Putting his foot in the food.
Tear the ear. You see that?
So jokey.
Cheese eating outside, you put your feet outside, but not this one. Put in the food.
God.
Look at his mouth.
Look at that.
Look, help her. Look, help her mouth. That's spirit. Spirit right there.
Let me give you the secret.
And they barking at each other.
Something in his mouth. Oh, something.
No, calm yourself.
Oh, it's stuck in her mouth.
See this one if it's stuck in his mouth.
It's a jokey. Yeah, that's what happened. It's food sticking in her mouth. It's too thick. You need to put a little bit of the water.
Let me get to the next one. Okay. Should turn it out now.
Yeah. It's too thick for them.
Hush.
Okay, leave a bit piece on it. Biting his ears.
Oh my gosh! Oh Lord! Mark! Fighting each other, look, and it's so small.
Well,
Mark!
I'm just laughing.
What's that?